Preston, what do we do? The club needs somewhere to practice.
Maybe we could practice out here. How does that sound?
Are you nuts, Presto? Everyone will see my magical secrets. No way.
Preston, can I have a word?
Yeah, sure.
I heard about the petition you and your friends put together. Thank you. I can't tell you how much that means to me.
You're welcome. And to be honest, we did it for the students too. Summer Cove High just wouldn't be the same without you.
Also, I've changed my mind. You can have your Magic Club meetings in my classroom. Just don't mess it up. And if I fall asleep, please wake me.
You got it.
Presto!
Yeah!
Here you go, Calvin.
Hey, this isn't my sandwich. Broads, what'd you order?
Chicken.
And now, when I say the word chicken, you'll turn into a chicken.